Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage analytics with Google Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To begin managing analytics with Google Analytics, first, you need to create a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on the Start for Free button to set up your account. Fill in the necessary information about your website, including the website name, URL, and industry category. Select the reporting time zone that best fits your needs. After filling out the form, click on the Create button to proceed. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions to continue. Next, you will receive a tracking ID and a snippet of code. Copy the tracking code provided on the screen. Now, you need to implement the tracking code on your website. If you're using a website builder, check their support documentation for adding HTML code. Once the tracking code is added, return to Google Analytics to confirm the implementation. Navigate to the real-time reports to verify the data is being collected. Next, familiarize yourself with the Google Analytics dashboard. Explore the various sections such as audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. To create goals, go to the admin section and click on Goals. Define what you want to track, such as signups or purchases. Select the goal type that best fits your objectives, then fill in the details. After setting the goals, you can monitor their performance in the conversion section. For deeper insights, utilize UTM parameters on your marketing campaigns. This will help you track the effectiveness of specific campaigns in driving traffic. Utilize the acquisition reports to analyze where your visitors are coming from. Take note of referral sources, social media, and organic search performance. Use the behavior section to understand how users navigate your site. Identify pages with high bounce rates and low engagement metrics. Regularly review your analytics data to identify trends and make informed decisions. Set up custom dashboards for quick access to the data that matters most to you. Utilize segments to analyze subsets of your data for more granular reporting. Consider connecting Google Analytics with Google Ads for enhanced campaign performance tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.